Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marvellous Ogunleke, and in TechBuzz we talk about the development of technology. We talk about how technology works. We talk about the improvements in technology, future prediction, and we also talk about the life of people who has invested much of their time into technology, people that have contributed a lot into technology. We also explore their lives. We are here to make technology fun for you. We are here to make videos that speak about technology to you. And if this is what you would like, if this is what you want, then consider subscribing to this channel, and we always make sure we meet your demand. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.